working on a Nordyne FG6RC 120C-16B. This is 120,000 BTU gas-fired furnace in a very, very tight spot. Here's my hand, here's the wall, here's the furnace. There's like 18 inches here. I squeezed past that water heater over there, but customer's got no heat. So I'm gonna show you how we troubleshoot. Flip it on. We have the inducer motor working right there. We have a solid red light. It's hard to see with my other flashlight, but that's on. And right now it's going through the startup sequence. We have a hot surface igniter up there. And I have my Fluke, is it a Fluke? Yeah, my Fluke non-contact electrical tester. I think it's pretty awesome. We have no power to the hot surface igniter yet. And now we do. So we have 110 volts going to the hot surface igniter, but hot surface igniter is not energizing. And I wanted to wager that it's probably cracked or damaged or it's ohmed out bad. So let's turn this off. We're gonna disconnect the connections going to the hot surface igniter. Let me take out my voltmeter, also by Fluke. Yeah, it looks like the hot surface igniter.
Okay. I don't know what that means, but something. That means that's...
It creates flame, and it's open right now, so it's gonna test it. Let's see what we got. Get in there. Okay. And it's open. This should be around 40 to 60 ohms, and it's open and it's dead. Got a new glow-fi installed in there. Hard to see with the flashlight on. Hopefully that works well. This should start up. There we go. We got glow. Good so far. Let's get some ignition. Wait for that gas valve to open. Still waiting for that gas valve to open. Gas valve is opening. We do not have ignition. So I'm going to lower that down a little bit and take it from there. Alright, so we lowered it down a little bit. We may have to do a little bit more, but let's just see what happens. Make sure we're clear of everything, which everything appears to be. Takes about, there we go. Got ignition. I'm sorry, we have hot surface igniter lighting up. And in about 15 seconds, we should have made ignition. If we look carefully, the top part of that igniter is the brightest spot. I may need to lower it down just a little bit more to get to that nice sweet spot. But let's see what happens when we have ignition. If it lights within a second, we're good. If not, I gotta lower that down again. Bring it down more into the sweet spot. And there we have it. We have ignition. We have takeoff. So there you go. So in summary, the service call was Nordyne, 120,000 BTU gas-fired furnace. We had hot surface igniter that was not lighting, and we ohmed that out. And normally you should see between 40 and 60 ohms. I didn't see anything completely shorted because of that crack right there. We got the new glow fly in there. I adjusted it a little bit using the mounting brackets that it comes with. And now we have ignition. And a happy client. There you go. Troubleshooting gas furnace 101. Thanks for watching.